Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is close versus quit. Close and quit are two important methods used to close browser sessions in Selenium. Close method closes only the current browser window or tab that Selenium is controlling. If multiple windows are open, only the active one is closed. Quit method closes all browser windows opened by WebDriver and ends the session completely. It also releases system resources. In real projects, close method is used to close a child window and continue testing in the parent window. Quit method is used at the end of execution to properly clean up the browser session. Using quit method is the best practice to avoid memory leaks and hanging browser processes. Now, let me run a sample script, then you will see the difference. First, Selenium opens the Cogmento application login page, then it opens another Cogmento home page in the new tab. Then it will close the current tab, which means the first tab. And then finally, if I press enter, browser will be quit and browser session will be completely stopped. So let me press enter. Now, understanding close versus quit helps manage browser sessions correctly in real automation projects. As you can see, I have used thread.sleep. Thread.sleep helps to pause execution so we can see the screen for a few seconds, but it is not recommended for real automation. I am using thread.sleep here only to show the screen clearly. In real projects, we use Selenium waits instead of thread.sleep. Thank you.